So, hello and welcome to each and everyone watching this video. We, the students of Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology, BTech third year, and this is our project demonstration of our course Software Engineering. So, our project is Programming Club website. So, basically, we created a website which helps educational institutions to manage and organize activities of a programming club. It further includes some basic features like event scheduling, member registration, event participating, providing essential resources, and also keeping a track on registration in a club. Moreover, this system also allows students to view and sign up for upcoming or past event conducting by the programming club. Additionally, the system also provides a communication between club members and academic institutions through a feedback features. Coming to the objective of our website, the club will give an opportunity for the students to learn and increase their coding knowledge by participating in different events organized by the club for practice. Moving towards the demo of the website, in the very first stance, we can see the welcome page with three options: register, user login, and admin login. Going to the register page, here in this page, we have to fill our details like our name, our email, the program in which we are studying, the academic year in which we are pursuing right now, and finally setting up a password and confirming it. Now, let me show you the registration of the page. Here, we will write our name, our email, we have to select the program in which we are studying, the year, create a password. It should be a strong password. Yeah, now this is our login page. Okay, now this is our login page. We will log in with our college ID. We will enter our password. So yes, this is a login page with a calendar in between, and also the group members are mentioned here. Moving towards the event portion, here are the events which the club is conducting. We can register as well as we can deregister according to our need. Here is a resource section. We can get the resource if we want, like to study. This is our profile section. We can edit it. We can add our code forces profile in it, also our address. Now, this is the last feature of our user login, which is feedback. We can give the feedback to the institution about the events or the website which we are having. In case you forgot the password, let me now show you our forgot password feature. A link will be sent from which we would be able to forgot our password. Like here, I press send mail and the mail is sent. Now here, this is the link by which we can forgot our password. We can create a new password here. The password will be changed. So now this is the admin login. Here we log in and we will see the graphical representation of registration of student by the program and by the year. The second feature is the user feature. Here we can see all the users which are registered with the club. Now with the third feature, we can see we can add a resource here, and here is the resource dashboard. Here we can edit or update any resource. Thirdly, this is the manage event. We can add an event, and here we also have an event dashboard. The fourth, we can add an admin. We can delete an admin, as well as we can see all the admins in the club. This is the last feature, the feedback feature. We can also reply by saying the query is solved. So yeah, Here we can log out, and yes, thank you for watching our video.